What's going on, everybody? Rob here with a little video on my keto breakfast. Uh, I prefer to be on keto. I did vegan, vegetarianism, almost completely Mediterranean, but now I just love being on keto. I really do feel better when I'm on keto. I just did a little short about yesterday. Well, this past week I've been keto vegan. I went vegetarian before vacation, but then I said, man, I just wish I would have stood on keto. So here I am back to keto. This is my keto breakfast. This right here meat is I buy like roast. Believe it or not, I buy what they say you gotta eat the leanest meat possible, but I buy whatever roast I can find, and the cheapest roast per pound. I get the roast, and then I cut it into little pieces like this, and I store it individually in Ziploc bags. There's my 3 eggs, no sides, black coffee, no sugar, but I do cheat and I do have A1. And I hate anything with added sugars, but A1 has added sugars, okay? But if you look at it, it's 3 grams of carbs per tablespoon. So you could use a tablespoon of A1. If you're counting your carbs, your total carbs, 3 grams of total carbs per tablespoon. So if you use 1 tablespoon of this, that'll be 3 grams of your total carbs for the day. So you can use 1 tablespoon. I kind of eyeball everything, but there's so other than the A1 in this breakfast, there's no sugars. And one thing about eating meat is it keeps you satiated longer. So on vegetarianism, I find myself eating and snacking more, eating and snacking more, eating and snacking more. But even though stuff says it doesn't have carbohydrates, there's starches in it that eventually will turn into sugars, which turn into here and everywhere else on your body. So, I'm 52 years old. I'm probably in better health than some of these 30-year-olds out there. But majority of it is to the keto diet and getting up early. And I got bedhead and everything right here because I cheated on my diet yesterday. Well, this whole past week, I said, you know what, I'm just going to kind of eat whatever I want and just go from there, and then I'll start up hardcore. And then I've been sober for a while. I had 2 beers yesterday and 2 big pieces of apple pie. Oh, I couldn't get out of bed today. I really couldn't get out of bed today. You'll notice your difference when you start eating sugars again, and you start eating gluten again, and you start eating starches again. You're going to feel sluggish again. Try going keto for 2 weeks. 50 grams of carbs or less, but I do eat fruit. The fruit that I eat, it's no more than 1 banana per day. Okay, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and then I prefer almonds, but whatever nuts you want to eat is. And I eat trail mix. I look at the carbs on the trail mix. I prefer the trail mix without the added sugars, but this is my keto breakfast for today. All right, talk to you later. Hopefully you just commit to, if you commit to losing weight and say, you know what, I'm tired of all this weight and I'm going to lose weight, and you go keto, you will drop the weight you want to lose. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.